In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsend an email in Protonmail using a simple example from start to finish. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for and how quickly you need to act when you want to pull a message back. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. You'll land on your inbox, which looks similar to most email services, folders on the side, and your messages listed in the center. Before we actually unsend anything, we need to send a message so you can see how the undo option appears. Once you're in your inbox, look for the button that says New Message or Compose. It's usually at the top left or top center of the page. Click that to open a new email window. This is where you'll set up the email that will later undo. In the New Message window, start by entering the recipient. In the To field, type the email address you want to send this test message to. Make sure you're using a real address you have access to or a test address you control, especially if you're just practicing. Below that, type a short, clear subject line like test email or practice unsend. Keeping it simple helps you recognize it easily in your sent folder if you ever need to double check what happened. Next, move down into the main body of the email and compose your message. You don't need to write anything long or complicated for this demonstration. A single sentence that says something like, "This is a test for the undo send feature," is perfect. As you type, you can also take a second to make sure everything looks correct: the recipient's address, the subject, and the message content. Even though we're about to use the undo feature, it's always best to treat every email as if it's final because the undo option is time limited. When you're ready, go ahead and click the send button. As soon as you do this, pay close attention to the bottom of the screen or the area where Protonmail shows notifications. Right after sending, Protonmail briefly displays an undo option. This is your window to unsend the message. Now, this part is important. That undo option only appears for a short period of time, usually just a few seconds. During that window, the message is held before it's fully sent out. To unsend the email, simply click undo as soon as you see it. When you click it in time, Protonmail will stop the message from leaving your outbox and it won't be delivered to the recipient. If everything worked correctly, you'll see that the email disappears from the sending queue and it either returns to draft form or is cancelled, depending on how Protonmail is set up for you. You can double check by looking in your sent folder. If the message doesn't appear there and you clicked undo within the time limit, it was successfully unsent. If you miss the undo window, the message will send as normal and can't be pulled back. So it's a good habit to watch that area right after you hit send, especially for important or sensitive emails. With a bit of practice, you'll get used to spotting the undo option and reacting quickly. That's all there is to it. Open Protonmail, create a new message, send it, and then use the brief undo option to unsend it before it goes out.